I'm now in a new city, and a lot of people ask me, how do you choose the cities and the towns that you go to? And I reckon that 70% of the time it's because of I like the name, and that is why I'm now in the city of Shazoo, and I've literally just got here. So this is the city centre, and I'm in front of the cathedral. So I left Baru about 2 hours ago. So because I chose this place last night, I booked the hotel straight away because it's close by Baru, where I was yesterday or this morning. So this is the journey I took. It's an hour and a half bus ride, which, to be fair, is one of the shortest bus rides I've done between the cities. The mistake I made was assuming that there'd be buses often because it's so close. No, it's not. So I left the hostel, got to the bus station at 10 o'clock this morning, and then from there the next bus was at 1:30. Right, where am I going? Let's head towards the cathedral. So I've just got to the hotel, I dropped my bags off, and it is later than what I thought. I stayed at the bus station for about 3 hours just waiting for the bus, and because I'd already booked the hotel, which I never usually do, I had to come. So what do I know about Shazoo? And I do like the name. It was founded in 1853. It started getting bigger because of the coffee boom, like a lot of places around here, and it got wealthy. However, it doesn't feel that wealthy at the moment, just walking from the bus station. Like a lot of these places, some places got really wealthy and modern, and some places didn't, but the cathedral is impressive. Now at the moment I am running on fumes because of the fact I had 2 really bad nights sleep. The bed in that previous place, well, that's a nice little view here. Yeah, the bed in the previous place was not the best. I had a very bad snorer in the room. And with the dental stuff that I've had done, I don't think it's healing that well. Oh. Right, let's have a little wander into the cathedral. Right, I've taken my hat off. Oh my God. Look at that. That looks amazing. Wow. Now this is really special. I've not really seen a cathedral in this area quite as stunning as this. That's quite special in there. So the first chapel that was in this area was on the founding of 1853, and I had the first mass a year later, but that one there has been stood since 1901. So they just had the 100 years celebration 20 years ago. My math works out. In front of the cathedral I have got a statue of one of Shazoo's famous people that lived here. Now if you know your history, you know Charles Lindbergh was the first person to fly across the Atlantic solo, but this guy did it before him. But unfortunately, he didn't do it solo. He did it with a Brazilian crew and a Brazilian aircraft. So that was in 1927, flying from Italy all the way here, which is still impressive for them days. And he came from here. And it's got a good likeness of him, if that's what he looked like. But as you could probably hear in the background, I have got a lot of music, which is not helping my video. Right, it's a bit quiet around here. So the name of the pilot, João Ribeiro de Barros, and I hope I've said his name correctly. Now, he was only 27 when he flew across. That is impressive. And when you walk around the city centre, you've still got the evidence of the original old buildings from when it was built in the 1950s. And the hotel I'm staying is actually down there. It's £23 a night. It was the cheapest place, the cheapest place I could find. And I needed to have a hotel room, not a hostel, because of the snow that was in there last night. The poor guy, bless him, he apologised. But I'm heading down to the river now. But before we get there, here's a park with a bandstand in the middle. Now this looks really looked after, and it is quite big. So walking around the park, I just found a tourist information sign with a map giving you all the places you should go in the city. Obviously with the shadows on it, it's not really the best. But this is classed as ground zero of the building of this place. So there is plenty to see around here. Just I haven't got the time to do it. Now, bandstands, I was quite interested in why bandstands are in these parks from the last place in Baru. And obviously when in the 1900s they didn't have TV, radios in them days, and live music was what they had instead. So a bandstand was given to give some musicians to stand high up so a lot of people could watch them. There you go. And I've already decided that I'm just staying the one night in the city because of the fact I've got a flight imminent coming up, and there is so many towns and cities that I do want to go to before I fly out. But I've just seen that little pond right in the centre, the plant around it. Right, I'm sure the river is this way. And I've now come down to the river, and the name of the city, Shazoo, comes from here because it's named after the giant catfish that lives in the rivers around this area, this part of South America. And I was hoping that I'd see one jump out, but no. But it's a nice view, and you can see that there's a walkway going all the way down, a few bridges. Any catfish want to come up? No? Okay then. I do like this bridge though, and I've just seen another tourist sign just up there. So the fact that they've got the tourist signs around the city dotted around proves that they are trying to get tourists to come here. But this is the church of San Sebastian with a big dome at the top. 1964, I think the sign said, although the original church was actually built in 1883, because at the time there was two communities on both sides of the river and they couldn't on a Sunday come across the river to come to the cathedral on this side, so they built another church. Right, I'm going to head to the last place now, which is a shame because I'm actually enjoying this little place and I'm nearly here. So when you go into Google Maps and type in things to see, it comes up with two places. One of them is the cathedral and the other is this place just there. I found it, hurrah. So it's about a 10-15 minute walk. I've come through the back streets of the city. I have felt very safe. Oh, and this is it. Alright, so it's a walkway, stairway with lots of paintings, murals. There is the original plane that your man flew across the Atlantic with his route from Italy. The stairs are got some sort of drawing on. Yeah, I think Shazoo needs to update Google Maps and put its own tourist stuff in. Oh well. Yeah. Well, that was worth a 15-minute walk to get here. What do you reckon? Yeah. I've just realised as you go down the stairs, it's a frog. And that's me back in the hotel room. I just thought I'd show you around. It's a bit bigger than what I asked for because it goes into another room. And this is all part of mine. I could be using all of these beds tonight. Now it is £23 a night. It is the cheapest in the city centre. Toilets behind there. The cheapest one in the city centre that does breakfast, and it was only a short walk from the bus station. But you'd walk out onto the balcony and you'd get an amazing view, and that's the sunset just right now. You can see all of the city, well, at least this side. It's got that Florence of Italy feel about it. If probably not, but I've enjoyed this little walk around Shazoo. It's been interesting. It's another city that I've never heard of, and something tells me I should stay a bit longer, but I can't. I've got so much to see. And if you're thinking your video is a bit lackluster today, yeah, I'm not feeling it. I am very tired, and with the healing process still going on, it's going to be a very, very early night tonight. I'm going to head out now to a supermarket and get some healthy foods because I do need it, and then just sleep without anybody snoring except for me. But if you've enjoyed this little walk around, this little tour of a city you've never heard of, then all you gotta do is press that like button. What am I doing tomorrow? I really don't know. I just need to look at the map again and remind myself of where I'm going to. I might even take a day off. But if you want to see where I'm off to tomorrow, then subscribe and watch the next video. But until next time, I'm off to get some food. Bye bye for now.